Technology by itself won't save the planet, but the human technological interface will. And by that I mean using and implementing the latest and greatest and innovative in sensor technology, in vehicle technology, in energy technology, we'll be able to go and explore longer, deeper, and further into the 99% of our world's living space, which is the ocean, and come back with solutions to the problems that plague us, whether it be climate change related issues, whether it be pollution related issues, or overconsumption of natural resources related issues.
Où vont jaillir les énergies renouvelables de demain, la nourriture, la pharmacologie du futur, les biotechnologies, les start-up. Donc plein de jeunes vont se lancer dans les start-up du futur. Donc cette économie bleue, c'est une réalité et qui va changer notre civilisation. Donc c'est pour le bien commun de l'humanité.
The simple truth is that the health of the oceans affects us all. And so we need to spend time using these new technologies to understand the oceans better so that we don't harm them, but can help them recover to full health. These sorts of events are important to bring awareness and also to inspire people and to help everyone connect and care emotionally with life beneath the waves. The challenge we face is that ocean life can appear scary, remote, otherworldly, alien even. And yet actually it's important because without healthy wildlife, you don't have a healthy wilderness.
And so if we can impart the knowledge, the understanding, and the passion to make better decisions in each and every one of our lives, we can fill the bucket of solutions one drop at a time and go into a better direction that we've set for ourselves.